Love is about caring a person who is special for you, and it gives you what it means for you. Love is a feeling that can make you happy and goes to tenderness. Love can change everything in life, because if you have inspiration into someone, it boosts your confidence, and when you feel love into someone, sometimes it's hard to make a move into someone. Love turns you into shyness, and that's a difficult situation. If you are with someone, love can wait into the right time, and sometimes you feel hope into someone, but don't expect too much, because at the end, you're hurting your feelings. If you are with someone you love, you feel like you're happy or you're lucky, because your love is only